Hello and welcome to the another lesson of Python programming for beginners. Okay, so in this lesson we will understand how we can declare or create variables in Python. So let's start with creating a file first. So let's say variables dot py. Okay, so variables dot py. So we have written that, and since Python is dynamically typed, we don't need to type it like this. Let's say we don't need to type it like this. Let's say x is equals to 5 or something like that. I don't need to define it like this, and again I don't need this semicolon as well to terminate this. I can directly write it like this. Okay, I don't need to define anything here, and this is considered as integer. So this is the way to write comment. Now I am writing a comment. So this will considered as integer. We don't need to define it here. Okay, so we don't need to define the data type here before that or something like that. Okay, we don't need to define it that. Then again, if I let's say y equals to 3.14, so this is again considered as float. This is again considered as float, so I don't need to define that again. Okay, then even if I declare string, okay, so I can directly write it like, let's say ABC, and this is considered as string, so I don't need to define that again. So as I already told you, Python is dynamically typed language, and we can directly go and write these stuffs, or we can directly declare values with the variables and it will consider it internally. We don't need to explain, or I don't need to write the data type. Okay, so let's try and print the value. So let's say print x, then let's say print the value of y, and we'll try to print the value of, let's say, z as well. Okay, so like this, and let's open the terminal. So I can go to view and I can click on terminal, so it will open the terminal. I can also use the shortcut control and the tilde. Okay, so and let's type in the command. Let's say python variables, okay, dot py. Okay, so python variables dot py. I hit an enter, tab, so that's why it is using this slash and all. Basically we don't need to type it here, but again if it is there, no need to worry. Okay, so python variables dot py. Okay, and if I hit enter, see, I can get the output. Okay, I can get the output. So this is again simple. We can see that. Okay, so this is simply we can dynamically type variables, and we don't need to write down the data types. Okay, so hope you have understood this simple thing, how we declare the variables. So see you in the next lesson.